For over 80 years, Guyson have been global leaders in the design and manufacturing of shot peening, grit blasting, and precision cleaning equipment for the aerospace industry. We deliver solutions for a range of aerospace applications, from turbines and engines to landing gear and airframe components, as well as aircraft interiors and avionics. Guyson consistently achieve the highest specifications, including AMS 2432 computer-controlled shot peening, as well as AMS, mil-spec, and SAE blast media compliance. Our comprehensive range of surface finishing equipment allows for real-time customization, multi-axis capabilities, and pinpoint control of process parameters. With an established history of partnering with leading aerospace OEM and MRO companies, Guyson provide unmatched precision, quality, and operational efficiency to ensure that their customers can exceed performance expectations and set new industry benchmarks.